Hello friends, welcome back to TradeMaker channel. In this video I'll be showing you the analysis for S&P 500, which is SPX USD. So let's start with the weekly chart. As you can see here, after a big impulsive move, currently the price is retesting some of the major levels. So let's take first retracement of this impulsive move. We can see that it has crossed the 60% level, and let me draw some support. This is the support, and we can see for this week it's a big pin bar rejection. So what to expect? So let's jump on to the daily chart. On the daily chart, we can already see that there is a clear rejection at this stage. Now let's jump up. First of all, let's draw some support and resistance points, what to expect, what not to expect. Major support I can see is this right now, and the next one for resistance I see is this. So for the next week, I believe that price can come back to retest this level, again go up and then try to fall, because this whole wave is impulsive. This is the correction trying to consolidate right now, and if something happens again with the coronavirus or with the US-China thing, you should expect price to fall down. This is the one case. The other case that could happen, but it's not likely to, it's retest this, move back, retest this, go up. So let's see what's gonna happen. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please support this channel by giving a like and subscribe. Thank you.